Let's do the 115. Let's go big.
Sure. We learned our lesson on Deal Junkies from
Okay,
talking
okay.
about live deals.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
lost, I'll tell you that, we lost a deal one time because our podcast was a month delayed. And I was talking about how I didn't like this deal and it was a shit deal. And we were like a week before closing, and the appraiser listened to that podcast episode, and they talked to the lender and they didn't like our podcast episode and canceled our loan. And we had to go start the new loan process with another bank.
But you didn't like the deal, but
I didn't like it at that time. I liked the deal in the end once I thought through it more and we structured it differently. But at the time, like, that wasn't accurate information on the deal that I was talking about, or like the information changed, and it was just 30 days to release, like, later too. Like,
I see. Okay, so you were kind of like still.
Yeah, it was back what we thought about the deal 30 or 60 days ago or whatever.